I want to look at my ratio. So L is the limit as n goes to infinity. -1 to the n plus 1 x to the n plus 1 over n plus 2 times n plus 3 all over -1 to the n x to the n over n plus 1 times n plus 2. This is absolute value. I don't have to worry about my -1s, so it's the limit as n goes to infinity, and I want to reduce. So I have an x on top. This is a 2 here. N plus 2's go away, so I have x times n plus 1 over n plus 3. Well, actually, I do have to keep my negative in there, sorry. So I have negative x's then. So, either way. So, if I look at this, the n's cancel out when n goes to infinity, so it's just going to be the absolute value of x. And that has to be less than 1, so my radius is just 1. Now I have to look at my endpoints. So at x equals -1, I have the sum n equals 0 to infinity of 1, because when they'll both be, the negatives will go away, so I have 1 over n plus 1 times n plus 2, and this converges, if I use the limit comparison, with the sum of 1 over n squared. So it's good, it converges at -1, and at x equals 1, I have n equals 0 to infinity of -1 to the n over n plus 1 to n plus times n plus 2, and this is an alternating series, so it converges. So therefore, my interval includes both endpoints.